Disclaimer. Warning. This video is a video about Yizhan, BJYX. This video is only made for BJYX or ZSWW fans. If you don't like it, please don't watch it. If you are not Yizhan Shiper, please don't watch it. If you're still watching it, I assume that you believe it. And if you are a new turtle, welcome to our family. All I'm going to tell you is CPN. 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 Accept it calmly and make good comments. It is strictly forbidden to comment harshly and vilify other artists. All sources in this video have been uploaded by other fans on their social media. I just collected and edited it to make it easier to understand. I put the account that I usually use as a source in the description column. Remember, all I'm telling you is CPN. Think wisely and with common sense in accepting it.
Hi, Cheshi here. Today I will share some rumor videos that I got some time ago. This is not a long video. And I edited a bit in a hurry, and this is an old rumor. Because this is an old rumor, maybe some of you have heard it. Keep in mind that I translated this video using Google Translate. Maybe there are some words that are not in accordance with the original meaning. I hope you understand. Okay, let's hear the story. There is a rumor. My little brother fell at the waterfall. Coaxed my older brother to pull him. Pulled my older brother to the ground. Then he kissed my older brother. My older brother is so embarrassed. My little brother said he would let you go if you were called LG, husband. A drone flew over. Older brother panicked. Somehow the crew lost a drone. An interview. Big Orange is still the eldest brother. When the two came back from the waterfall, relationships have also undergone tremendous changes. The younger brother's phone is linked to his older brother's health code. The two of them went out once more. When coming back, the elder brother helps the younger brother hold the skateboard. There is also something to say. Dabao's mother prayed for peace amulets for the two babies. Because he have to carry it with him. So it is most convenient to put it together with his mobile phone. Xiaobao puts the protective gear in the phone case. Because his older brother is superstitious. Maybe they also put some other things for Xiaobao to keep him safe. My older brother knows that his little brother likes to play games. But staying up late is not good for your health. He once warned his little brother, "If I see you at 2 a.m. online in the game, cancel all games. Delete the account." Fake news that the younger brother wanted his older brother to visit him on set. I want my older brother to appear in front of me immediately. But my older brother has a schedule and can't leave. SF Express sent him a gift. My younger brother thought it was him who came to surprise him. He didn't expect it to be a Polaroid photo. But he was also happy to see the memories. He really liked that Zhao Zhan selfie. A bit of inside information. The relationship between the two brothers is very stable now. But due to capital reasons, it is not open to the public yet. A few friends know. One time, the elder brother took his younger brother to meet an investor. Someone asked what their relationship was. My older brother said, "This is my husband." Zhao Zhan hopes Wang YiBo will play a role that contrasts with Lin Wangyi. Then Wang YiBo played Ziyan. Wang YiBo hopes Zhao Zhan will play a role that contrasts with Wei Wuxian. Then Zhao Zhan went to play the role of Shi Ying. They both acted as the other wanted them to. Zhao Zhan wrote the two characters Wing Zhao by hand. Erased after being teased by Wang YiBo. And Wang YiBo wrote a full page about Zhao Zhan.
“刚才那个人是谁？”
我回来了。哎，我作什么妖？吃饭。你这样摸，走吧。等我去。我先去了。把你自己的事情说清楚。对不起，没打动我。走吧。什么情况啊？我知道打人不对。哎，他还打你，这就是我底线，绝对忍不了。我很开心，你支持我呀。在这儿呢。师娘，你是不是又想被我扔进无菌室消毒啊？是吗
？That was video for today. See you next video. Thank you for watching.